Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed decisions. Today, we're comparing two popular drones, the Holystone HS720G and the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone. Let's see which one will elevate your aerial adventures. First up, let's talk about the price. The Holystone HS720G comes in at $299, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to get into drone flying without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom is priced at $449, which is a significant jump. Reviewers find the Holystone to be a great value for beginners, while the Potensic Atom is considered worth the extra dollars for its advanced features. When it comes to camera capabilities, the Holystone HS720G features a 2-axis gimbal with a 4K EIS camera. Reviewers appreciate its solid camera quality for the price. However, the Potensic Atom steps it up with a 3-axis gimbal and a 4K Sony CMOS sensor, offering superior stability and video quality. Users rave about the Atom's professional-grade footage, making it a favorite for those serious about aerial photography. Battery life is crucial for extended flights. The Holystone HS720G offers 26 minutes of flight time, which is decent for most casual users. But the Potensic Atom comes with 3 batteries, providing a total of 96 minutes of flight time. Reviewers highlight the Atom's extended flight time as a major advantage for longer shooting sessions. In terms of features, the Holystone HS720G includes Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes. Users find these features intuitive and fun to use. Meanwhile, the Potensic Atom offers visual tracking and quick shots, like pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang. Reviewers are impressed with the Atom's diverse shooting modes, which add a cinematic flair to your videos. For user-friendliness, the Holystone HS720G has headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold, making it very approachable for beginners. Reviewers commend its ease of use. The Potensic Atom, however, boasts auto-return and enhanced GPS, providing an extra layer of convenience and reliability. Users appreciate the Atom's advanced navigation features, which make flying smoother and more enjoyable. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone HS720G to be an excellent choice for beginners due to its affordability, solid camera quality, and user-friendly features. The Potensic Atom, while more expensive, is praised for its superior camera quality, extended flight time, and advanced features, making it a great option for more serious drone enthusiasts. So, there you have it. If you're on a budget and new to drones, the Holystone HS720G is a fantastic choice. But if you're willing to invest more for advanced features and superior camera quality, the Potensic Atom is the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high and buy smart.